Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Cardana, 120 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Vegan non-GMO gluten-free advanced dietary supplement GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing. A powerful Ayurvedic formula for the heart. Discussion. Cardana is a formulation of botanicals used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine to help maintain healthy heart function. Suggested use. Take 2 capsules twice a day without food, or as directed by a qualified health practitioner. Other ingredients. Microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hypromellose and purified water, maltodextrin, silicon dioxide, sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish or shellfish. Warnings. Do not use if you are pregnant or lactating. Consult a physician if you have a medical condition, or if taking medications like cardiac glycosides such as digitalis, digoxin, blood pressure medication, diuretics or anticoagulants, blood thinners. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While Ayurveda strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by Ayurveda.